Hi everybody. This is our math video about discrete and continuous functions. So the first problem is about my little sister Savannah, who is 3 years old, and she gets an allowance every day. So she starts out with 5 pennies, with the 5 and 3 pennies every day. That's Mark. Don't ignore him. So it gives us the equation y equals 3t plus 5. T as in number of days. So then for this, the recursive formula would be f of x is f times x minus 1 plus 3, which is basically the previous number plus 3, the previous day plus 3. So now as you can see from this graph here, this makes a discrete arithmetic sequence where none of these lines are connected. I just drew a line here just to make it look good. Actually, there aren't any spaces in between because you can't have 1.5 of a day or something like that.
Speak loud.
Okay, so now question 2 is about a pool with water. It starts out with 5 gallons, which makes a 5 over here, and then it fills up by 2 gallons every minute, which is represented by the variable t. So the recursive formula would be f of t equals f of t minus 1 plus 2, because this is the previous minute plus 2 gallons of water. So now this makes a continuous arithmetic sequence where everything adds up every minute, every moment. So okay, next question. This is about some dude saving money in a bank, because for some reasons, so the bank gives him 3% interest on the money at the end of each month, and then so he started out with $50, and then N is for and the N or M is for months. So this means that 1.03 is 103%, or the addition of 3% per month to the month power. So this basically means that every month this amount will be multiplied by 1.03 or 3%, or just added by 3% of the previous number. So that's why it gets the n power, and this makes it a geometric sequence. But now that makes it discrete because of this graph that comes out here. You can see that at every point here, it means that it gets split every time. So that means it's discrete. So now the final question, number 4, W time. This is about water again, and this means so basically, at the end of the summer, this guy drains the swimming pool, and he noticed that he drains faster when there's more water in the pool. So it drains at 3% every minute. So this basically means that this is the water, the first amount of water, times 0.97 to the t power. So t means time, and 0.97 is 100% minus 3%, which is 0.97. 0.97 times the previous number would make it 97% of the previous number, which makes it a geometric sequence that is continuous, because water draining out of a pool is constant. So then for that, the recursive formula would be f of t equals f of t minus 1 times 0.97, because that is the previous number times 97%. So now, if we compare these two problems, question number 1, 2t plus 5, and question number 2, actually, if we compare question number 3 with question number 1, we can see that both of them...
That's question number 4.
Actually, if we compare question number 1 with question number 3, we see that both of them are discrete. Both of them are split up. This is split, and then now if we compare questions number 1 and number 2, we can see that these are both arithmetic sequences, because they both go up in a steady line. And finally, if we compare problems 3 and 4, we can see that both of them are geometric sequences, continuous geometric sequence. Oh, this one's discrete. They're both geometric sequences where the values change exponentially for every x value it changes. Thank you.